Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix screen rotation not working on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So, if your phone's screen is not rotating in certain apps and it's not doing it automatically, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to fix that. So the first thing would be to enable auto rotate. So if you go to the control panel by swiping from top right to bottom, we're going to have this auto rotate thing in the icon tray. So just make sure to enable it so it's in its white state. And once it is, if you go into an app that requires, they can do two different states of portrait mode and landscape mode, basically. Let me just load up YouTube and do a random video. And now if I rotate my device, it's going to automatically go into rotate basically to a different state. So if that didn't work, whoops, sorry, something just fell. So if that didn't work, there's another thing that you can try doing, which is to tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So just maybe make sure that it's not the problem with the system phone rotation. We are going to go to, for example, YouTube, and once again try to rotate our phone like this. And if it doesn't work, we can try the next step, which would be to restart the phone to reset the sensors. So if we hold down the power button and volume down buttons at the same time, it's going to go to this screen, and here we can tap restart and then tap this icon again to restart our phone. And that's going to help reset the gyroscope in our phone, and maybe that's the issue that you were having. And the last thing we can try doing is updating our phone software. So to do that, we need to go down to software update, in the settings, tap on it, click check for updates. And what that basically does is maybe there's a new update for the phone that fixes the issue that you're currently having. And once you've clicked check for updates, it's gonna let you know if you have a new update or not. So if it says your software is up to date, that means that you're on the latest software and you basically don't need to update anything. But if there is an update available, just go through the process. You're going to have a guide that's pretty straightforward. And once that's done, your phone is going to restart, and you will be on the new version. And that's where you can check if the auto rotate is working on the phone. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.